Yeah, the 20th December. I got the paint repair area buffed and blended. Y'all want to check my work. Let me stay out of the sun. If you remember, the original failure was down here in this area. I think it's about right here. And I think I'd call that a 99.9 out of 100. Pretty damn good to me. That paint store I use did a hell of a job on getting the blend right on that Subaru paint. This is the color code. But yeah, I got no flaking paint failures, and turned out real nice. Ain't nothing wrong with that at all. This camera will tell the tale, trust me. I went ahead and buffed and polished this entire side of the bed. So I'm pleased. Wife will be real happy too. Old pickup, but you know, we like it to look nice because it's a damn nice truck. It's just old. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You know, as soon as I get my trim pieces in and installed, then I can give it a proper bath and go over the whole truck with that good carnauba wax and my good buffing tool. Make this sucker shine. Yeah, I'm pleased with the result. The wife will be too. And came in this morning. Last night it got down to 34 degrees, and my little building when I come in was 52 degrees because I didn't come up here yesterday. I was lazy butt again, and turned on my big diesel fired barrel heater for exactly 12 minutes and got it up to 70 degrees in there. And I'm getting a real good color change on all the green stuff inside the lot. So my herbicide application was a success. And except for here, must have missed that. Trying to decide on, well, I know what my next project is going to be. Ordered a hose vacuum kit replacement. It is 6-inch wire reinforced suction hose and a plastic adapter. I'm going to try to figure out a way to turn this thing into a leaf vac. You can buy new ones for $1,400. It's the chipper with the big bin on top and the small branch bin on the side, and on the end they'll have a leaf vac assembly. Now the reason I'm thinking this is when you run this thing, that discharge chute has a huge volume of air coming out of it. So it's moving a lot of air, which means it should have a lot of vacuum. All I got to do is figure out where to hook up my adapter and then blank off. Again, it depends on where I hook up my vacuum. Either blank off both feed chutes so it only sucks through the vacuum hose, and it can be fairly simple. What I'm thinking, because I'm sure I can find something to blank off my adapter for the hose too. Haven't looked into that yet. And the ones that are designed to be a leaf vacuum as well as a chipper and shredder will use this area here for the hose, but I got a curve here, so that won't work too good. I can use this area here, just cut a hole, screw my adapter on, and blank off the top of this chute, and blank off the top of this chute something as simple as a piece of OSB with a handle, because they're conical shaped chutes, so it will not suck whatever I blank it off with into the chipper area. Or I can make a simple sheet metal pan, again with a handle that just sits on top on both sides, and the suction when it's running will hold it in place. I don't have to fasten it. And I put in some little weather stripping for a gasket so it seals even better. Probably the direction I'll go in. I still have enough friends in the industry. I can have them. The boys up the hill won't do it for me. I already know that. I'm not going to waste my air asking. But I have enough friends. They would do that for me. And hell, even if it was $100, I don't care. That's something if I had the press brake and notcher, that's something I could do in literally 5 minutes. And that sounds like a plan to me. And if it don't work, it don't work. And nominal amount of modification to my chipper shredder. The problem I got is I have a repaired spine and pretty significant arthritis. So me bending over at the waist repetitively will basically cripple me the next day. I couldn't even move. And I don't like taking pain meds to get past all that. If I make up a simple vacuum attachment for that chipper shredder, it would definitely save my back. So that's the plan for that. And we'll see how it turns out. Either don't work or it works. Pretty simple. I'm real pleased with the way the pickup turned out. Just waiting on my trim pieces now. So anyway, that's got too long, so that's all for this one. Thank you.